You just want a little bit in there. So you're going to slap it right in there, right where the Torx bit goes. Spread it a little evenly so it gets in there and fills the areas that the Torx bit won't fill. This week on I Kinda Fixed It, I'm going to show you how to fix a sloppy door that doesn't close right. This is the part you have to replace. For this one, I believe it requires a T50 Torx bit. This is a T45 because this is what I have. So you'll notice there's a little slop in here, and it could potentially strip it, so I have an easy fix for that you might want to try at home. In this case, we're going to use some peanut butter. Make sure it's not expired because that matters. You just want a little bit in there. So you're going to slap it right in there, right where the Torx bit goes. Spread it a little evenly so it gets in there and fills the areas that the Torx bit won't fill. Keep that aside in a safe spot because, again, it's not expired, it's still good. Keep the knife clean. Now you want to be extra careful. There's a nut receiver on the other side of this, so when you pull this out, make sure that doesn't fall, because if it does fall, you have to pull all this plastic paneling out. Alright, see, and you can see here that the peanut butter stuck to the areas on the Torx bit, and that's what you're looking for. And it does look like that retainer is going to fall inside of there, but it didn't. And you can pick brand new ones of these up with a new bushing on there from Amazon for very cheap. And make sure this panel here, this back piece, is the back. And kind of line it up with the old, you'll see little debris marks on here. Kind of line that up a bit. And it looks like I got that lined up. Still with the peanut butter on there. You should be able to grab this even if it's a little bit different in size. Keep that piece straight because you don't want that hitting your door. And that's how you kind of fix it. I mean, it's better. It's kind of fixed. You could probably adjust it a little, but that's how I kind of fixed it this week, and I kind of fixed it. You smell peanut butter? So you might be wondering how to know when it's time to replace this, and I will show you why you need to replace this. With the exception of a loose door sagging and flopping around on you, there's supposed to be a little bushing inside of here. Like so. You can see that bushing is just gone from the old one, and the door latch just kind of wiggles on here, preventing the door from actually closing properly. So this one, with the peanut butter, unfortunately wasted, goes in the trash. That's not the trash, but that's how we fix it on I Kinda Fixed It. Well, now that the weather's better here in Ohio, I could finally start doing more on the channel. Unfortunately, the Mustang's almost perfect, and I'm running out of things to do. So, jinx me or something that more things will go wrong and you get more content out of me.